Letty's not out of my league. If I played my cards right and told her that I want to be in a relationship, or told her that I want to be with her, or get with her, or whatever, if I was straightforward with Letty, then I sure as best believe, like, I could flirt and make her interested in me. Yes. Okay? I've purposely have done things so she wouldn't consider me. I don't care what the fuck I burn. Why? Because I don't want her to fucking get feelings for me. I'm ready to go to bed, brothers.